everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Out in my car because I have a package here that I'm going to share with you. Well, because it's something that I can use here in my car. So without further ado, I want to give a shout out to Donovan. Thank you for hooking me up with Chen products. I emailed them and they got back to me like right away, and then they asked me to review this 2 nuance vacuum suction car holder for my devices. And it's a simple little suction. Man, that's a tight grip, which is going to be nice to grab a hold of my vent area there, so then I can hook up my device right here with that vacuum suction area. And again, you know what, it's always better to just do it than to talk about it. But anything else in the box here, basically it gives you some instructions on installation on how to use this product. So as you can see, those little grippers there are going to grip onto the vent area like that, and this little vacuum suction area is going to grab my device. Now let me show you something. You see that? We're going to press the device against that for a couple seconds and create the suction. Okay, my Huawei Nexus 6P. Now, I hate my displays not being cleaned up, so they look nice and shiny. I took off the case that I had on it, my clear case here, and we're gonna go ahead and test this product out. We're gonna press and hold. So there you go. Basically, we're gonna drive along and it's gonna sit there. Now, it doesn't have any rotation, so you can't rotate it right or left or up and down. It's just gonna be straightforward. There are others, accessories out there that may do that. It may cost a little more money. This is only gonna cost you a few bucks. It's nice to have that there and just sit in its place and just pull, it comes off. So and what I'm gonna do is test this out when I'm driving too, to make sure the device stays on that vacuum section. Now I got the case on here, and if you have a fingerprint sensor on the back of your device, you wanna make sure you suction down a little bit lower so you can still reach around and turn your device on while you're driving, okay? So we're gonna press, and there you go. Okay, so you can tilt it. That's kind of nice. I like that. Way to go, Chen. 2 nuance. Pull that off. Got my blue R1 HD. Got a plastic back. Nice. It is removable. We're going to test this little guy out. There you go. Digging that vacuum suction car holder 2 nuance. Again, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to consider this device, and you can go ahead and order one. Super glad that they sent this out to me and I was able to review it. Hopefully they like what they see as well. So my next video, this is my Project 13 with the vacuum suction car holder by 2 nuance by Chen. I'm out. Check it out. I like that. Very nice.